I thought this was just a giant tablet, but it turned my kitchen into mission control. Let's dive in. Hey fam, it's your Gadget Gran hip grandma Leora, serving up the freshest tech tea on the Amazon Echo Show 15. Does this bad boy still hold it down in 2025? Or is it just coasting on looks? Oh, and a quick heads up. The pics in this vid are all about the vibe, not about the Echo Show pics. I'm keeping it creative and sassy, just like me. I've been putting the Echo Show 15 through the ringer. Late night scrolls, baking chaos, you name it. So stick with me for the sass, the stats, and the real talk. Let's start with the Echo Show 15 design. This thing is a whole mood. That 15.6-inch full HD screen is massive, like, is this a TV or what? It's sleek, with thin bezels and a sturdy frame that screams premium. I've got mine mounted in the kitchen, and it's flexing family photos one second, a cozy fireplace vibe the next. It's not just a gadget, it's wall art with a brain. The build quality is solid too. It's taken a few rogue spatula swings from my baking marathons and still looks flawless. Design vibes? It's giving chic, functional, and tough all at once. When I first got this bad boy up on my kitchen wall, I wasn't sure it'd fit my vibe. My place is all farmhouse chic wooden beams and mason jars. But let me tell you, it slid right in like it was meant to be there. The grandkids came over last weekend, and my little man Liam was like, "Gran, is that your new TV?" I cackled and said, "Nah, sweetie, it's smarter than that. It's Gran's command center." Now every time they're here, they're obsessed, flipping through pics of our last beach trip, asking Alexa for silly riddles, or just staring at it like it's magic. My friend Shirley stopped by for coffee and couldn't stop gushing. "Leora, that thing's gorgeous. Where'd you snag it?" I just grinned and said, "Amazon, baby. It's the only way to roll." It's not just a pretty face. It's a conversation starter that ties the whole room together. Now, let's talk Echo Show 15 performance. This thing's got hustle in spades. It's powered by Amazon's AZ2 Neural Edge processor, and it moves faster than me snatching the last slice of pie at a potluck. I've thrown everything at it. Streaming playlists, pulling up recipes, juggling smart home controls, and it doesn't even flinch. Wi-Fi 6 keeps it locked in, even with my house full of gadgets fighting for bandwidth. Reliability? Months deep, and it's still running like a champ. No freezes, no stutters, just pure smooth vibes. Can it keep up with your chaos? Picture this. It was a rainy Sunday, and I decided to throw a little brunch shindig. Pancakes, mimosas, the works. I had the Echo Show 15 pumping a throwback playlist. Think Earth, Wind and Fire meets TLC, while I flipped flapjacks and kept an eye on the weather widget for when the rain would stop. My niece Megan called mid-chaos to video chat about her new job, and I had the screen split. Recipe on one side, her beaming face on the other. The kids were running around yelling for Alexa to play Baby Shark, and this thing handled it all without a hiccup. Megan was like, "Auntie, how are you keeping it together?" I just laughed and said, "It's not me, it's this beast." Later, I even used it to dim the lights for a cozy vibe as we wound down. That kind of multitasking power? It's a game changer for a busybody like me. What's your go-to gadget when life gets wild? Spill it below. The Echo Show 15 features are where it really flexes. That giant screen is a multitasker's dream. Think video calls, recipes, and Netflix all at once. The camera's got motion tracking, so I'm always in frame, even when I'm pacing around, and the mics pick up my voice clear as day, even over the blender. It's got Zigbee, Matter, and Thread built in, so I'm running my smart home like a boss. No extra hubs needed. From lights to locks, it's all right there. Amazon basically handed me the keys to the castle, and I'm loving every second. Okay, so last month I was deep in event prep mode, organizing chaos, juggling plans, the whole 9 yards. I'm half asleep one morning, stumbling into the kitchen, and I croak out, "Alexa, get me ready for the day." Boom! The lights slowly brighten, the thermostat adjusts to my perfect temp, and my favorite jazz tunes start grooving. While I'm sipping my coffee, I ask for the day's schedule, and it pops up. Dentist at 10, call with my book club at 2. Then my son drops in via video call to flex his new living room setup, and the camera tracks me as I shuffle around, snagging a bagel and tossing him a wave. Later, I'm testing cookie recipes, because why not? And I've got the screen flashing ingredients while I tell Alexa to kill the porch lights. Hands-free, no mess. It's like having a sidekick who's always one step ahead. Smart home goals? This is it, y'all. Time for some hip grandma realness. First up, it's late, like 2 a.m., and I'm lost in X, chasing the latest drama. Think celebrity clapbacks and viral memes. My eyes are toast, but I need the tea. I yell, "Alexa, what's hot on X?" The Echo Show 15 lights up. Headlines, trending tags, all of it, no phone needed. I'm sipping chamomile, cackling at the mess, and feeling like the hippest gran on the block. Then there's the baking day with the grandkids. Pure kitchen chaos. We're making apple turnovers, and there's flour everywhere. I'm like, "Alexa, pull up a recipe." Bam, it's on that big screen, step by step, no squinting at my phone with sticky fingers. The kids are giggling, asking Alexa for pie jokes between steps, and we turn chaos into golden, flaky perfection. Hit that like button if you're a kitchen warrior too. Oh, and let's talk about the family reunion planning sesh. I had the Echo Show 15 up, video calling my cousins across 3 states to nail down the menu and playlist. The screen was big enough to see everyone's faces, no tiny phone nonsense, and the sound was so crisp I could hear Cousin Sam's terrible jokes loud and clear. I pulled up a shared calendar widget and we locked in dates while Alexa played Motown classics to keep the vibes right. It was like we were all in the same room, plotting a party for the ages. Family connection flex? This thing's got it on lock. Here's the straight-up tea. No chaser. Pros. Huge, sharp display. Multitasking royalty. Blazing Echo Show. 15 performance. No lag. All slay. Sleek design that's basically wall candy. Smart home control that's smooth as silk. Sound that bangs harder than it should. Echo Show 15 reliability you can trust. Cons. Setup's a hustle if tech ain't your jam. No battery. Where you plant it, it stays. Smart home quirks. Know your gear first. Alright fam, here's the word from your Gadget Gran. I've lived through Walkmans, flip phones, and MySpace, and the Amazon Echo Show 15 is no flash in the pan. It's got style, grit, and a vibe that sticks. Whether you're juggling life's chaos, jamming to tunes, or flexing some smart home cred, this thing brings the heat. It's a keeper. Go get yours and tell 'em Grandma Leora sent ya. That's the tea, y'all. If you're loving this vibe, smash that sub button. I've got more tech talk and hip grandma tales coming your way. Want to grab an Echo Show 15? Links in the description box below. Amazon's got the hookup, and a little thank you from them keeps my cookie jar full and my heart happy. Next up, I'm spilling the tea on AirPods 4 versus Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra versus Sony WH-1000 XM5. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned, stay sassy, and catch you soon. Ciao!